nilang bilhin lahat ito. Lalaki na yun. Nandito ang Metrogate Mendez. Meron na dine-develop na Metrogate Mendez and Metrogate Amadeo. So ito, hindi natin alam kung later on, 5 years from now ito, Metrogate Mendez na, may connection na. Baka ito ang maging daan, access. So, pag ito, tinanggap po natin sa kanila, nasa MOA yun, hanggang dyan na lang tayo. Isasara na rin natin yan, kasama na mo itong maliit na ito sa atin. Ngayon, lahat itong mga inatubahan natin, may kapaligtad yan sa mga iinin natin. Katulad, yung tennis, hindi na yata uso tennis, at katandaan natin, tennis pa tayo. Pero ako ang uso badminton. Di ipa-cover natin sa kanila, mag-badminton, mag-aaligaan. At kung ano pa, meron tayong mga playground, open space dito. Pwede tayo maglagay dyan, ang magandang party tayo party doon, o kaya may managdagdag playground ng mga bata. Marami po tayong maidadagdag. Okay, so yun lang po yung maliwanag po tayo sa maliit na ito. Sean, pwede yan ang report option na tanggapin ang green na rin maliit lang sa kapa. Orange, o nakay na ito, tapos tanggap mo. Sige, kasi nasa piling pa rin ito ba yun? Hindi naman yun.
Violation lahat yun, actually. Pwede natin, we have the option to reject all the green.
Ay, kasama ka yun.
Yes. That is Congress's problem. Because sila yung gumawa na eh. It is not our problem. It's their problem. If we do not accept that, they will have to face the buyers. The buyers can sue them. Yun ang problema nila. That is why they are so desperate to get our approval for that small one that they're taking. So that it is not up to us to decide whether if they are going to offer us anything, whether we will accept that, in exchange for accepting that small thing, or not. Because there's a danger now if we accept this, it could open the floodgates where there will suddenly expand here. And how will we control it? That's another danger.
Okay. Ay, hindi na po natin kung i-approve yung maliit, talagang medyo
sensitive.
Discussion po ito.
Madugo yun.
Pero hindi reject the amenities because they're accepting the blue. Diba? Kahit na wala yung maliit na effect, tinatanggap na natin yung blue. Ibigay pa rin nila yung amenities natin. Or, is it also is it also possible, kung gusto nila mag-develop ng mga ganyan, maghanap sila ng gate, ibahin na nila pangalan. Diba? Like, exactly yun nga sinasabi natin. Kung meron tayo na limited fence, hindi naman natin pinag-usapan. Kung ito, nakasalanan tayo dito. Ito na, they develop that, pero yun ang pangalan na gate. After rejecting this green ones, after rejecting this, pwede na natin na sa halaman nila ito. Wala naman tayo pag-uusapan yung ganito din. Kasi kung sarado na po ito, tapos na. I think ito, problema ito ng context. Yes.
Parang maraming
Yung MOA natin, what if the Molex will not agree on it? It's always an advantage. What action shall we do?
Kasi actually, to answer your question, binabraso ko ng Molex, it came to a point in one of our meetings, we were harassed talaga na
just to maintain. And our money right now is only around maybe a little over 3 million.
3 million.
Yeah.
Little
That,
over 3 million.
that means in 1 year, if we were to absorb all the costs, in 1 year, ubus yung funds. All the funds of the association would be completely gone in 1 year's time if we were to absorb everything indefinitely. And after that, we will have to stop maintaining.
Ngayon, is that about the Jews?
Unless we raise funds.
Montes owes us arrears sa Jews in the amount of 5 million pesos. So we were thinking, kung sakali na pumayag kayo, one of the amenities we will ask is to deliver the 5 million pesos or we will not sign the COA. So 5 plus 3 million is 8 million pesos in our pockets. So that's another thing to consider.
And yung ginastos nila, kasi sabi nga ni Ed, ni Brett, yung ginastos nila na for security, right now, yung ginagastos nila, i-charge naman sa association. So, ang kailangan natin, kailangan mapapirma natin din sila sa MOA. Kasi, para yun namang, kasi ang parang talaga, ilalagay natin doon sa MOA na yung ginagastos nila ngayon, yung security, yung water, lahat, dahil na yun. It's their expense, hindi expense ng association. Oo. Kasi may development pa sila. So, talagang yung MOA, kailangan natin yung MOA para rin natin maprotektahan yung atin, yung gusto natin.